In front of me is OPPO Find and to flip, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. After that, you need to install this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now click on those three lines at the bottom right one and tap on Settings at the top. Finally, choose I accept in First Things First pop-up and check out all of those settings. When you're ready, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, you need to select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Apply, and tap on the best option for you, in my case home screen only. Lastly, swipe up from the bottom of your screen and tap on Home button. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!